English for Libya by Hannah Salam. Okay, so we have a question now. We have a question. Do you still remember family words? It's revision. Revision for last lesson. Do you still remember family words? Do you still remember family words? Let's check. Okay, who is he? Grandfather, excellent. Grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, excellent. Good. Yes, yes. Sister, yes. Brother, good. Cousin and cousin. Now we are going to listen to a song. We are going to listen to a song to remember family words.
Info bells!
Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do.
Okay, today, Unit 1, Family and Work, and listen to jobs, jobs, jobs. So our lesson today, jobs. Now, open your book, your course book on page 10. Open your book on page 10. What you can find here, listen to jobs. We can see here different pictures. How many pictures? 10. Excellent. They are 10 pictures. So we will start now our lesson. Now, look and listen. Look and listen. Look and listen. Look and listen. Jobs, jobs, jobs. Okay, we'll start now. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Again. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer. Doctor, waiter, teacher. Bus driver, engineer. Doctor, waiter, teacher. Bus driver, engineer. Shop assistant, shop assistant. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Nurse, nurse, nurse. IT programmer, IT programmer. Housewife, housewife. Again, look and listen. Shop assistant. Farmer. Nurse. IT programmer. Housewife. Again, shop assistant. Shop assistant. Shop assistant. Farmer. 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 Nurse. 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 IT programmer. IT programmer. IT means information technology. Information technology. IT programmer. Housewife. Housewife. Again, we are going to listen and look, or look and listen. So we'll start now. Number one, doctor, 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 doctor. Number two, waiter, 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 waiter. Teacher, 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 teacher. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Shop assistant, shop assistant, shop assistant. Farmer, 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 farmer. Nurse, 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 nurse. IT programmer, IT programmer, IT programmer. Housewife, housewife. Again, doctor, doctor, doctor. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Shop assistant, shop assistant, shop assistant. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Nurse, nurse, nurse. IT programmer, IT programmer. Housewife, housewife. Again, doctor, doctor. Waiter, waiter. Teacher, teacher. Bus driver, bus driver. Engineer, engineer. Shop assistant, shop assistant. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Nurse, 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 nurse. IT programmer, IT programmer. Housewife, housewife. Look, listen, and say. Look, listen, and say. Look, look, listen, and say. Look, listen, and say. Look, listen, and say.
Look, listen, and say. 1. Doctor. 2. Waiter. 3. Teacher. 4. Bus driver. 5. Engineer. 6. Shop assistant. 7. Farmer. 8. Nurse. 9. IT programmer. 10. Housewife.
Okay, what's her or his job? What's her or his job? Look at look at this picture and tell me what's her or his job. Can we start now? Yes, what's her job? Doctor, excellent. Number 3, what's her job? Teacher, good boy. And this one? So doctor and teacher. And this one? What's his job? Engineer, excellent. So she is a doctor, she is a teacher, and he is an engineer. Okay, we have the same question again. What's her or his job? Okay, what's his job? What is his job? Farmer, excellent. He is farmer. What about this girl? What is her job? Nurse. Yes, what about she? What's her job? Housewife. So we have farmer, 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 nurse, 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 housewife, housewife. look what we have in front of us. We have our friends Tahir and Anwar. We have our friend Tahir and Anwar. They have two questions. What are they? The first question, what's your mom's job? What's your mom's job? What's your mom's job? How can we answer this question? She is, she is, she is, or she's, she is, or she's. What's your mom's job? She is, or she's. She is a doctor. She's a doctor. Okay, another question from Anwar. What's your dad's job? What's your dad's job? What's your dad's job? What's your dad's job? And the answer should be he is or he's. He is or he's. Okay, what's your mom's job? What's your mom's job? She is a doctor. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Okay, what's your mom's job? She's a teacher. She's a teacher. She is a teacher. She's a teacher. What's your mom's job? She is an engineer. She is an engineer. She's an engineer. So she is a doctor. She is a teacher. She's an engineer. Okay, what's your dad's job? He is a farmer. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. What's your dad's job? He is an IT programmer. He's an IT programmer. He's an IT programmer. What's your dad's job? He's he is or he's a shop assistant. A shop assistant. A shop assistant. So, what's your mom's job? What's your mom's job? What's your dad's job? What's your dad's job? She is or she's. He is or he's. Okay. Now, number 4, we are going to listen to Anwar's, Tahir, and Hiba conversation about listen and say about what's your dad's job and what's your mom's job. What's your dad's job and what's your mom's job? Anwar is going to ask a question, Tahir answer, and Hiba answer these questions. Ready? So listen and say, listen and say.
Listen and say. What's your dad's job?
He's an engineer.
What's your mum's job?
She's a teacher.
Listen.
Okay, so now it's time to our activity book. We will start now with our activity book. We have page number 6. We are going to open our book on page number 6. Number 6 here, page number 6. So open your activity book to page number 6 and page number 7. Page number 6 and page number 7, we are going to answer these two pages. Ready? Okay, we will start now. Okay, we will start now with number one. With number one, what we have here, we have 1 to 9. We have from 1 to 9 words, but with missing endings. Missing endings. What's this? These are jobs. Okay, can we start with number one? Doc. What is it? Doctor. Good boy. What's missing? OR. Excellent. Doctor. Doctor. What about number two? What is it? Waiter. Waiter. What is missing? ER. Number three. Teach. Teach. What's missing? ER. Teacher. Number four. Bus. Bus. It is bus driver. Excellent. Bus driver. What about number five? Engineer. Engineer. So EER. So doctor, waiter, teacher, bus driver, engineer. Can we go now to number six? Farmer. Oh, sorry, farm. So what's missing? ER because it is farmer. Okay. Number seven. IT programmer. Excellent. So what's missing here? ER. We go now. Shop assist. Shop assist. Shop assistant. Good. What about the last one? Nurse. Nurse. Okay. And you notice here, most of them ends with OR or ER. So doctor, waiter, teacher, bus driver, farmer, and IT programmer. But here with engineer, double ER, with assistant, shop assistant, ENT, and with the nurse, SE. Good boys and good girls. Okay, now look at the example. Write sentence for a picture. Look at the first picture. What you can see. Doctor. Is he a waiter? Is he a waiter? No, he isn't a waiter. No, he isn't a waiter. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Okay, again, look at this picture. Is he a waiter? Is he a waiter? No, he isn't a waiter. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. Now look at picture number 2. Is she a nurse? Is she a nurse? Is she a nurse? No, she isn't a nurse. She isn't a nurse. She is an engineer. Excellent. Look at the second picture. Is she a nurse? Is she a nurse? No, she isn't a nurse. She is an engineer. No, she isn't a nurse. She is an engineer. Look at the third picture. We can write the same. Is he or is she? What we write here? Is he, and write any job, okay? Is he, for example, is he a farmer? Is he a farmer? Is he a farmer? Can you give me the answer? Is he a farmer? No, he isn't a farmer. No, he isn't a farmer. He's an IT programmer. No, he isn't a farmer. He is an IT programmer. Again, is he a waiter? No, he isn't a waiter. He is a doctor. Excellent. Is she a nurse? No, she isn't a nurse. She is an engineer. Here, is he a farmer? No, he isn't a farmer. He is an IT programmer. So, is he a doctor? Yes, he is. Is she an engineer? Yes, she is. Is he IT programmer? Yes, he is. Now, it's time to our homework. Today we have another homework. The first question. What's your mom's job? What's your mom's job? So we'll start answer. She is. She is. Second question. Second question here. What's your dad's job? What's your dad's job? The answer. He is. Okay. What's your mom's job? She is a teacher, for example. She is a doctor. She is a housewife. So you write here, she is what? What's your dad's job? He is an engineer. He is a doctor. He is a bus driver. So you write it here. So now this is our homework. So it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoy our lesson, and it's time to say goodbye.